So I've been here now at the clinic since 2008, so over 15 years. It's been fabulous. I love it. I love what I do. I primarily am in charge of doing the injectable treatments, so dermal fillers, neurotoxin like Botox and Dysport, PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and most recently we have added Sculptra to our repertoire. I think, for a long time it was all about filler and Botox, and more recently there's been a trend towards more natural treatments. So Sculptra is interesting. It is, like you said, it's an injectable treatment that's in a class called biostimulators, meaning that when we inject it, it promotes a collagen stimulating response. And so basically it's great for anybody who's looking to improve the quality, tone, texture of their skin, a little bit of firmness, a little bit of lifting. It does provide some volume, but in a more natural way than filler. Not that there's not a place for filler, they complement each other. But Sculptra, I would say, is a much more natural, subtle look, but it is more of a process as well.